Heating up. AceTronic brings precision heat to you. We bring together the heating ecosystem so your process stays precise, safe, and reliable. Heating things up with Dalton Electric WattFlex split-sheath cartridge heaters, engineered for uniform bore contact, improving heat transfer and reducing energy loss, for more consistent heat where it matters. AceTronic strengthens the package with industrial heaters and insulation blankets that help retain heat, protect personnel, and reduce heat loss. With pre-wired mounting boxes that reduce wiring errors and simplify installation, plus connector kits to make secure electrical connections, your heating setup stays dependable and safe on the floor. And if things heat up too much, Fire Blanket helps protect critical equipment under fire conditions. That's precise heat control on the production floor. AceTronic, keeping you connected.